Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add text box border in Microsoft Word document. So get ready started. At first open your Word document file. Firstly, in this video I will show that add text box border. Now going to the insert menu option. Now click for the text box option. Then click for the simple text box. And text box is the moved. Then text box is at text border. Now going to the format menu option. Then click for the shape outline option. Then click for the widget option. Then click for the format option. That's it. Then I show a text box border in Microsoft Word document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.